If you're playing on your Switch, knowing how to set up your controllers properly can save you time and headaches, especially for multiplayer games. Then in this video, I'll explain the different ways you can configure your controllers for 1 or 2 players. Let's dive right in. Part 1. Single player controller setups. First comes the basic connected setup where your Joy-Cons are attached to your Switch and you can directly play on them. It's the most basic setup, but also the most used. You can still try other options, like if you go to the back part of your Switch, you'll find the release button. Press and hold on to one of them and slide your Joy-Con up. Remove the other Joy-Con the same way. So that's how you can remove the Joy-Cons safely and play in Bluetooth mode. But you also have grips available for you to play in Bluetooth mode. Just get your Nintendo controller grip to your hand, then slide both your Joy-Cons properly, just like you slide them into the Nintendo Switch. This gives the proper controller experience in wireless mode and makes docked gaming 10 times more fun. Now you can also detach the Joy-Cons from the controller grip just like you would from the Switch console. Alternatively, you can use a Pro controller for a more traditional feel. Solution 2. 2-player controller setups. For 2-player games, the easiest is to split the Joy-Cons so each player uses one. First of all, remove your Joy-Cons from your Switch. Use the touchpad of your Switch to navigate to system settings. Scroll down to controllers and sensors. Then change grip/order. Now get one Joy-Con at hand and press the SL and SR button of your Joy-Con. The first Joy-Con you press the SL and SR button for will become the player 1. Now do this for the other Joy-Con as well. You will see that both of your Joy-Cons are now showing in the screen separately. Just press the button that are asked to you in the screen prompt and get out of there. Now all that is left for you to do is to find a game that supports 2 players and you can get started. Part 3. Tips. Some games require paired Joy-Cons rather than split ones, so if a single Joy-Con doesn't work, try pairing it. Make sure all controllers are charged to avoid disconnects during play. So that's a quick look at Nintendo Switch controller configurations for single and 2-player games. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Switch tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.